Are your marketing emails landing in the wrong inbox or failing to align with your company's branding? In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your email preference domain settings in HubSpot. Step by step, fully updated for 2025. Whether you're rebranding, updating your domain, or just want to ensure better deliverability, this guide will help you do it the right way. Let's get started. The email preference domain is what your subscribers see when they manage their email subscription settings. By default, HubSpot assigns a generic domain, but customizing it not only improves your brand identity, it also helps build trust with your audience. First, log into your HubSpot account with admin access. Go to the settings icon in the top navigation bar. From the left sidebar menu, select Website greater than Domains and URLs. Here, you'll see all your connected domains. Find the section labeled Email Preference Pages and Subscription Settings. This is where you control which domain will display on your unsubscribe and email preference pages. Click Edit, and you'll have the option to select a domain from your connected ones. Make sure the domain you want to use is already verified in HubSpot. If not, connect and verify it first. This is crucial for email deliverability and compliance. Once you select your preferred domain, hit Save, and HubSpot will automatically update your email preference links across all outgoing emails. But wait, here's a pro tip. After updating, send yourself a test email and click the preference link. Double check if the new domain appears correctly and that the page loads securely with HTTPS. If it doesn't, clear your cache or republish the settings. And that's it! You've successfully changed your email preference domain setting in HubSpot, like a small tweak that makes a huge difference for branding and compliance. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover advanced email deliverability tricks next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.